Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. We have already learned the things like distance between two straight lines, distance between 2 points, the parametric equation of the straight line, the reflection of a point with respect to a straight line, the angle between two straight lines, all the things we have learned in the previous videos. Based on the topics, we will be solving problems. If you have not watched the videos, please click on the card showing above. So the first problem of the session is, let PS be the median of the triangle with vertices P2, 2, Q6, -1 and R7, 3. The equation of the line passing through 1, -1 and parallel to PS is. So in this problem, the question is saying that PS be the median of the triangle with vertices P2, 2. Okay, so let this is point P, this is point Q, and this is point R. Okay, so P is 2, 2, Q is 6, -1 and R is 7, 3. Okay, so we are joining the points and so it will give us a triangle and saying that PS be the median of the triangle. Okay, so PS median, suppose this is as this is the median, so S will be the middle point of QR. So 6 plus 7 by 2, that means 13 by 2, comma -1 plus 3, that means 2 by 2 or 1. Okay, so the equation of the line passing through 1, -1 and parallel to PS. As the line is parallel to PS, in this question they are asking the equation of the straight line which passes through 1, -1 and parallel to PS. So the slope of the PS, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So -1 upon 13 minus 4 by 2, that means -2 upon 9. So slope of PS is -2 by 9, and as the straight line is parallel to PS, so the slope of that straight line will also be -2 by 9, and the line passes through 1, -1. Slope is -2 by 9 and the straight line passes through 1, -1. So we have learned the slope point form: y minus y1 equal to slope into x minus x1. That means y plus 1 equal to -2 upon 9 x minus 1. That is equal to 9y plus 9 equal to -2x plus 2, and 2x plus 9y equal to -7, or you can say plus 7 equal to 0. This is the solution of this particular question. So what are they asking? That PS is the median of the triangle. PS is the median of the triangle, and what is this PQR? PQR is given, and then the equation of the line passing through 1, -1. 1, -1 is the point through which the straight line passes, and parallel to PS, so we got the slope of PS, and also the slope of the straight line will be -2 by 9, same as PS, and we put that here and we got the answer. So final answer is 2x plus 9y plus 7 equal to 0. So this is the answer of the question, and this question may came this question came in JEE 2014, maybe 2014. Yes, in JEE 2014. Okay, so this is the solution of this particular problem. Okay, so in this problem we applied only the formula of the straight line, that is slope point form. So the JEE asks sometimes very easy questions like this, and the solution is also easy, so please check it out, and please subscribe to this channel for further updates. The problem based on the topics. The next problem is a ray of light along x plus root 3y equal to root 3 gets reflected upon reaching x-axis, the equation of the reflected rays. So a fundamental physics theory, which is the normal divides the incident angle and the reflected angle in equal angles. Okay, so if this is theta, this will also be theta, but in the measuring theory we know that this is plus theta, this is plus angle, positive angle, and this is negative angle. Okay, so if we have measured this, that is plus theta, so this will be minus theta. Okay, so this is the incident ray, the equation of the incident ray. So this is x plus root 3y equal to root 3, and this is the reflected ray, and this is the point of incidence. Okay, that is the x-axis. Check that upon reaching x-axis, so this is P and this lies on x-axis, so y equal to 0. And the slope of the straight line, what is the slope of the straight line? So root 3y equal to minus x plus root 3, and y equal to minus 1 upon root 3 into x plus root 3 by 3, that is 1. Okay, so the slope is minus 1 by root 3, minus 1 by root 3. So tan theta equal to minus 1 upon root 3. Okay, tan theta. This is also theta, but this is negative theta. So tan of minus theta equal to minus tan theta equal to 1 upon root 3. Minus into minus plus 1 upon root 3. Okay. So the slope of the reflected ray, slope of the reflected ray will be 1 upon root 3. So, and the point P, so in this particular point y equal to 0, that means 0 equal to minus 1 upon root 3x plus 1, that means x equal to root 3. Okay, so x equal to root 3 in this point. Okay, so this point is root 3 comma 0. So this reflected ray also passes through root 3 comma 0. Okay, this line also passes through root 3 comma 0. So we have two informations: the slope and the point, and the equation of a straight line can be found by using the slope and the point. So the equation of the reflected ray, will be, what will be? Y minus y1 equal to slope into x minus x1. So root 3 into y equal to x minus root 3, and root x minus root 3y equal to minus root 3. X minus root 3 equal to root 3. Okay, x minus root 3y equal to root 3. This is the answer. This is the equation of the reflected ray. So what is the question? That a ray of light along x plus root 3y equal to root 3 along this straight line, and reflected upon reaching x-axis. It reached x-axis and then it reflected. So the point is this, and the slope is 1 upon root 3. So we got the answer by using the slope point form of straight line. So the only thing we have to know is the slope point form of a straight line, and if you know the form of straight line, you can easily solve the JEE problem in this particular way. Okay, and please share the video with your friends and classmates so that they can also get some help from this channel, and please subscribe to the channel and please like the video. So the second problem is the x coordinate of the incenter of the triangle that has the coordinates of midpoints of its sides as 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. So we have to find that the x coordinate of the incenter of the triangle. So we have to find that x coordinate of the incenter of the triangle. What information they have given? That the coordinates of midpoints, remind that coordinates of midpoints of the triangle is 0, 1, 1, and 1, 0, midpoints of its sides. So 0, 1. Okay, so this is, let's say, 0, 1 and 1, 0. So let's say this is 1, 0, and let us suppose this is 1, 1. Okay, this is a triangle, and if this is P, this is Q, this is R. So what will be the coordinate of P and Q? Then this is 0, 0, and this is 2, 0. This is 2, 0, then 0, 2, and 0, 2, 0, 0. Check that the middle point is 0, 1. 0 plus 0 by 2, 0. 0 plus 2 by 2, 1. 0 plus 2 by 2, 1. 0 plus 0 by 0, 0. 0 plus 2 by 2, 1. 2 plus 0 by 2, 1. So the coordinates of the vertices of this triangle is 0, 2, 0, 0 and 2, 0. So if this is point Q, okay, and we have to find that incenter. So what is the formula of incenter? We have already learned the formula of incenter is ax1 plus bx2 plus cx3 upon a plus b plus c. This is the x coordinate equal to, okay, and y coordinate will be ay1 plus by2 plus cy3 upon a plus b plus c. We have to find the x coordinate. So if, let's say, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, and this is x3 y3. Okay, so what will be a? A will be the length of this line opposite to the point x1 y1. So the length of this line is 2√2 units. This line is 2 units, and 0 to 2, that means 2 units, and it is also 2 units, and 2, 2, the Pythagoras theorem, 2 square plus 2 square, root over of 2 square plus 2 square, that means root 8, that means 2 root 2. Okay, so x1 into 2 root 2, that means x equal to a 2 root 2 into 0 plus this is 2 x2 into that, the line opposite to the point, that means 2 into 2 into 2 plus 0 into 2 0 into 2 upon a plus b plus c. A is 2 root 2, b is 2 plus c is 2. That means x coordinate will be 0 0, that means 4 upon 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2 root 2, 4 plus 2 root 2, that means 2 by 2 plus root 2. This is the x coordinate of the incenter of the triangle. So in this question, the x coordinate of the incenter of the triangle, the only formula we have to think about is the formula of incenter, and we have to just imagine this particular thing, that this is 0, 1, this is 1, 0, and this is 1, 1, this is x equal to y straight line. So we have to think that this must be the x, this must be the x axis, this must be the y axis, and this is x, this is a line which passes through 2, 0 and 0, 2, that is x plus y equal to 2. The straight line is x plus y equal to 2. Okay, so this question is from JEE 2014. Easy problem on straight line. Okay, so that's it.